Welcome! The following video is part 3 of a 4-part video series demonstrating how to use your BlueBolt 2.0 web portal account to manage your locations, devices, and clients. In this video, we'll show you how to use BlueBolt 2.0 to manage an individual device within a location. Specifically, we're going to show you how to complete the following tasks for an individual device: edit device settings, remotely view control outlets, track energy usage and cost, view and create scheduled commands, manage alert recipients and settings, set up an outlet group cycle, view device events, manage device firmware, and add or delete a device. Once you log into your BlueBolt 2.0 account, the All Locations page will display by default. To access an individual device at one of your locations, first locate the desired location, then click the lock icon. A list of all of this location's devices will display on screen. You'll notice that the All Devices tab is currently open. Locate the desired device, then click anywhere within the device card to open up the device details. If you look at the upper ribbon, you'll notice that the tabs have changed to new subtabs. The upper ribbon will now contain the device controls, energy usage, scheduled commands, manage alerts, and device admin subtabs. You'll automatically land on the device controls subtab. As the name implies, this subtab allows you to remotely control or make edits to the settings for the outlets for your devices. Under the ribbon, you'll see information for the device. If desired, you can change the device name by selecting the pencil icon, and then typing in the new name, and then pressing Save. Below the device name, you'll see the model number, the MAC address, and last active date. You can also view energy management information for this device, such as voltage, current being drawn, and wattage. Navigate to the Outlet Control section to cycle this device's outlets on and off if needed, or manually turn outlets on and off. You can also use this sub-tab to initiate a sequence off or sequence on. If you need to edit any of the outlets for this device, click the pencil icon, make any edits as needed, and select Save. Now let's review the Energy Usage sub-tab. Use this sub-tab to view the device's energy usage. You have the option to view energy graphs illustrating either watts, voltage, or amperage usage over time. Use the drop-down menu to have the graphs display energy usage daily, weekly, monthly, or via a custom time frame. Below each graph, you'll see a section titled Energy Consumption over Budget Ratio. Use this section to track today's energy usage and cost, as well as what percentage of your budget has been spent. You can use the Monthly Energy Consumption Budget section to view energy usage for this month, the calculated monthly energy usage, and the calculated monthly energy usage budget. Now let's select the Scheduled Commands subtab. This subtab allows you to create a scheduled command for this device. You can view any current scheduled commands, and if you need to add a new scheduled command, click the Create a Scheduled Command button. The Add Scheduled Command pop-up box will display on screen. First name the command, then select the desired action from the drop-down menu. Use the drop-down menus to schedule the command time and frequency. And lastly, press the Add button when you're finished. Now let's look at the Manage Alerts subtab. This subtab allows you to view alert settings for this device. You'll see a list of all the various alerts, as well as the recipients for each alert. If you need to delete a recipient from one of the alerts, locate the alert box, then locate the recipient, and click the X icon. To add a new recipient to an alert, locate the desired alert, and then click the Add a Recipient button. For each recipient, you can choose whether they receive alerts via email, the app, or both. Now let's look at the Device Admin subtab. The device details, such as the MAC ID, serial number, IP address, Firmware version will display in the upper area of the screen. You'll automatically be directed to the Settings menu. Under Settings, you can set up or edit a group cycle if needed. Click View Status. The View Status menu will allow you to view voltage, amperage, wattage, power VA, power factor, peak volts timestamp, power condition, and more. Click View Events to see a record of all events for this device. Click Manage Firmware to either upgrade or revert your firmware version. Click Delete Device to remove the device from the location it's assigned to. You're now ready to use BlueBolt 2.0 to manage individual devices within a location. The next video in this series will show you how to manage clients.